guys, let's make a simple couscous recipe. So turn up your heat, touch of oil into there, let it get nice and hot. Alright, and then I'm just going to add a tablespoon of sultanas. Go here, some of the prunes, I'm just gonna add that in there. Toss that around for a few seconds. Throw in our couscous. Give it a quick mix. Add in the water. Just going to season it. Touch of pepper, good pinch of salt, and finally a teaspoon of that Russell hanout we made earlier on. Give that a mix. Oh, already smells amazing. Now bring this to simmer, yeah? As you can see, it started to simmer now, so I'm just gonna turn off the heat here and I'm gonna let it cover for around 8 to 10 minutes. Alright guys, let's check the couscous. Should be ready. What I like to do is I'm just gonna fluff it up using a fork here. That looks amazing. We're just gonna add some olives into there. A splash of tabasco into there. Just add that acidity in there. With the help of a spoon, just mix that around. Our beautiful couscous is done. Can I have a little taste? Amazing. All my couscous goes into there. Alright, so let's add our chicken onto there. Nice and easy in the middle. Look at that. Beautiful. Amazing. Leftover juices just go on the top like so. That's the shine of this dish. Done. Alright guys, I'm gonna try this. Look at that. I'm just gonna try some couscous first. Use your hands, it's better. Lots of flavor. Let's try this chicken. Just gonna get it from here. Look at that. Now listen, I'm gonna save some for the others. Thank you for watching this video. I really appreciate it. Make sure you subscribe, make sure you like. Inshallah, I'll see you next time. Until then, salam. Make for your mom, make for your dad, make for your family. Enjoy.